Hey folks, Van here. It's Friday morning at Dr. Nima's office, and I just wanted to help you a little bit about your own wellness. In this case, we're talking about men's wellness. The urologist or the urology clinic is usually where men will come for their maintenance issues. But let's take a look at our diagram here, because I want to take you through a little map here, if you will, of what it is to be a properly maintained machine as a man. All right, you know how your vehicle has regular maintenance checks? Well, guess what, folks? So do we. So, maintenance. What does it mean? It's going to take you into a lot of these realms into men's wellness, but let's take a look at this. Maintenance. It means going to someone who has the knowledge and technology to treat you in a way that is environmentally comfortable, both physically and emotionally, so that you could come in and talk about what's going on in your life. And let's break that down a little bit, shall we? So, knowledge. So in this case, our physician, Dr. Nima, continually learns to detect, diagnose, and treat the male as he comes in for those regular maintenance checkpoints that they have to make, and which are basically maintained by age. So Dr. Nima has gone ahead and found, through his continued knowledge, techniques and technology that helps make our procedures and environment, again, emotionally comfortable and physically comfortable for our patients. So in this case, we're talking about robotic surgery, the finest of technologies and surgeries that allows him to maintain a really good posture with the patient. All right. Secondly, procedures, in-house procedures in which we might have a person who is having quality of life issues. Well, a procedure we do is called a UroLift. Pretty simple, minimally invasive, helps the patient tremendously in quality of life improvement. You come back to maintenance. What is it? It's going to a specialist. You wouldn't take your car to somebody who just does oil changes to do a transmission tune-up, or possibly a drivetrain tune-up, or maybe your infotainment system. No, you'd go to a specialist for that. Well, if you're a man and you have quality of life issues, you're going to come to see the urologist who has the best knowledge he possibly can. He's a specialist. We're talking about some place where a patient can come in and actually talk about what's bothering them. They might not talk to their best friends, they might not talk to their wives or their significant others, but they'll talk to a doctor, a nurse practitioner, a PA behind those closed doors, because they know their story is safe. All right, hit your maintenance points, guys. Include a specialist that has all of these three tenets to make you a better person.